Hello, and welcome to English with Azzy. I'm Azzy, and I am so happy you're here with me today. How are you? How was your day? Did anything make you smile today? Did something make you laugh? I hope so, and if today was a tough day, that's okay too. You showed up. You pressed play. And that already tells me something very important about you. It tells me you care. It tells me you are serious about your English. And it tells me you are not giving up. So, welcome. You are exactly where you need to be right now. Today's episode is something very special. We are doing a shadowing challenge together. 50 sentences. Yes, 50. That might sound like a lot, but I promise you, by the end of this episode, you are going to feel incredible. We will take it slowly. We will take it step by step, and I will be with you every single sentence of the way. Before we start, I want to ask you something. Can you do one small thing for me right now? Promise me that you will not just listen today. Promise me that you will actually speak. Out loud. With your real voice. Even if it feels strange. Even if nobody is listening. Even if you feel a little bit silly. Speak anyway. Because here is the truth. Just listening to English will not make you fluent. Reading English will not make you fluent. Only speaking English, again and again and again, will make you fluent. And shadowing is one of the most powerful ways to do exactly that. So, what is shadowing exactly? Shadowing means you listen to a sentence, and then you repeat it immediately. You copy the sounds. You copy the rhythm. You copy the music of the sentence. When you shadow, something amazing happens in your brain. Your mouth starts to get used to the shapes and sounds of English. Your brain starts to get used to the patterns of English sentences. And slowly, over time, you begin to sound more natural, more confident, more fluent. It is not about being perfect. It never was. It is about getting comfortable. Getting used to the feeling of English in your mouth, your voice, your breath. Even if you speak slowly, that is perfectly fine. Even if you make mistakes, that is even better. Because mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are lessons. Every single mistake brings you one step closer to fluency. And remember this. It is not about how much you study, it is about how often. 5 minutes every day is worth more than 1 hour once a week. So, if you are here with me today, you are already winning. Here is how today's challenge works. It is very simple. I will say a sentence. You listen carefully. Then I will say it again, and you repeat it after me. Out loud. Every single time. We are going to do 50 sentences today. They start simple and easy, then they get a little longer and more interesting. We will move through 5 sets of 10 sentences each. Between each set, I will check in with you. Give you a moment to breathe. Maybe say something to keep you going. And then we will continue. You can pause at any time, you can go back and repeat any sentence. This episode is yours. Use it however it helps you most. But most importantly, keep speaking. Don't stop. Don't go quiet. Your voice is the whole point. Are you ready? Let's warm up those English muscles. Let's begin. Let's start with some powerful sentences. These are sentences about you, about your journey, about who you are as an English learner. Listen, then repeat after me. Ready? Here we go. I am learning English every day. Good. Again. I am learning English every day. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Beautiful. Say it with confidence. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I understand more English than I did before. Yes. And that is true. Every day you understand a little more. I feel proud of my progress. Say it like you mean it. I feel proud of my progress. I enjoy learning English with my whole heart. I love that one. I enjoy learning English with my whole heart. I listen carefully and I repeat what I hear. That is exactly what you are doing right now. I speak slowly and clearly, and that is perfectly fine. Slow is good. Slow is how fluency begins. I try every single day, and that is what matters. Every day. That is the secret. I believe in myself and in my ability to learn. Believe it, really believe it. I believe in myself. I trust my journey even when it feels slow. This is so important. The journey takes time. Trust it. 10 sentences done. Already. And you are doing so well. I can feel your energy through the screen. Take one breath. Shake your shoulders. And let's keep going. Now let's go a little deeper. These sentences are about growth. About effort. About what it really means to work on your English every day. Listen carefully, then speak with me. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. Read that again slowly. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. That is such a powerful thought. I am not giving up. I am growing. 2 sentences, but say them together. I am not giving up. I am growing. My English journey is beautiful even when it is slow. Beautiful. Your journey is beautiful. Every step of it. I speak English to express myself, not to be perfect. This is so important. Expression first. Perfection never. I am building my confidence one word at a time. One word at a time. One sentence at a time. Just like right now. I get better with every single practice session, every single one. Including this one. I can understand more English than I think I can. Your brain is more powerful than you give it credit for. Speaking out loud every day helps me improve faster. Say it out loud, every day. I show up for myself even when it feels difficult. Showing up is everything. You showed up today, that is everything. Every mistake I make teaches me something new. Every single mistake. They are all your teachers. 20 sentences. 20. That is incredible. I want you to give yourself a real smile right now. Not a small one. A real one. Because you are doing something that most people never do. You are taking action. You are showing up. And you are speaking. Take a sip of water if you have one. Stretch your neck a little. And when you're ready, let's go into the next set. This next set is about daily life. Real sentences you can use every day. Not just for practice, but in real conversations. Real moments. Listen and repeat with me. Every day I am becoming more confident in English. Every single day. You are changing. You are growing. Speaking English clearly is something I am learning to do. Learning to do. You are in the process, and that process is beautiful. I am proud of my progress even when it feels small. Small progress is still progress. Never forget that. English is not hard, it is just new to me. New. Not hard. Just new. And new things become familiar with practice. I learn something new every single time I try. Every time. Even today. Even right now. I am building strong English habits one day at a time. Habits are built day by day. You are building yours right now. My English gets stronger with every word I say out loud. Every word. This one. That one. All of them. Even a small practice session makes a big difference over time. Over time. That is the key. Consistency over time. I am patient with myself and with my learning process. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. You are doing something hard. And you are doing it anyway. This is just the beginning of my English success story. Your success story has already started. It started the moment you pressed play today. 30 sentences. We are halfway there. And I want you to notice something. Are you getting more comfortable? Is the rhythm starting to feel a little more natural? I hope so. Because that is exactly what is supposed to happen. Keep breathing. Keep speaking. Let's go into the second half. Now we are going to try some longer sentences. A little more complex. A little more natural. These are the kinds of sentences you hear in real conversations. Take your time with them. If you need to repeat any one of them, do it. There is no rush. Let's go. Every time I speak English out loud, I get a little better. A little better. Not perfect. Just a little better. And that is enough. I don't need to be fluent to start speaking. I just need to start. You just need to start. Feel, and you already did. Today. The more I practice, the more natural English feels to me. The more. That is a beautiful structure in English. The more I practice, the more natural it feels. I am not comparing myself to anyone else. I am only comparing myself to yesterday. Only to yesterday. That is your only competition. Yesterday's version of you. My pronunciation gets clearer every time I repeat a sentence. Clearer and clearer. With every single repetition. I speak slowly because I want to be understood, and that is a good thing. Speaking slowly is a skill. Not a weakness. It shows respect for the listener. I am learning English because I have something important to say. You do. You have something important to say. And the world deserves to hear it. When I feel nervous about speaking, I breathe deeply and begin anyway. Breathe deeply and begin anyway. That is courage. That is exactly what you are doing right now. I celebrate every small win because every small win is still a win. Celebrate it. Finishing today's challenge is a win. Getting through 30 sentences is a win. All of it counts. I am a confident English speaker, and I get better every single day. Say it like you mean it. I am a confident English speaker, and I get better every single day. 40 sentences. You are incredible. Seriously. Do you realize what you have done? You have spoken 40 English sentences out loud today. That is real practice. That is real progress. That is real English. 10 more sentences. Let's finish strong. This is our final set. 10 powerful sentences to finish with. I want you to bring everything you have to these last 10. Speak clearly. Speak with confidence. Speak with pride, because you have earned it. Let's go. I speak English with confidence because I have been practicing every day. You have been practicing. Today. Right now. That counts. My voice matters, and my words in English deserve to be heard. Your voice matters, in English and in every language. I am consistent, I am patient, and I am making real progress. 3 things. Consistent. Patient. Making real progress. That is you. Even on difficult days, I choose to practice, and that makes me stronger. Especially on difficult days. Those are the days that matter most. I am not the same English learner I was a month ago. I have grown. You have grown. Look how far you have already come. Every sentence I speak brings me closer to the fluency I am working towards. Closer and closer. Sentence by sentence. Day by day. I choose English. I choose growth. I choose to keep going no matter what. 3 powerful choices. Say them again slowly. I choose English. I choose growth. I choose to keep going no matter what. I am proud of who I am becoming through this English journey. You are becoming someone new. Someone more confident. Someone more capable. Be proud of that. Learning English is one of the best things I have ever done for myself. And I believe that. I truly believe that. I started, I showed up, I spoke, and today I am proud of myself. One more time, really slowly and really clearly. I started. I showed up. I spoke. And today I am proud of myself. And that is 50 sentences. 50. You just spoke 50 English sentences out loud. With your voice, with your mouth, with your energy. In English. I want you to sit with that for just a moment, because that is not nothing. That is everything. That is what learning a language actually looks like. Not sitting quietly. Not just watching, but speaking. Doing. Trying. And you did all of it today. Now I want to tell you something important. This kind of practice, shadowing, speaking out loud, repeating sentences. This is not just an exercise. This is how your brain actually learns language. This is how babies learn their first language. By listening, copying, repeating, again and again, until it becomes natural. And that is exactly what you are doing. You are rewiring your brain. You are training your mouth. You are teaching your voice what English feels like. And the more you do this, the easier it gets. I promise you that. So here is what I want you to do. Come back to this episode. Tomorrow, or the day after, or whenever you need a speaking practice session. Listen again. Speak again. Every single repetition makes you stronger. And if you want to take this even further, try recording yourself. Play it back. Listen to your own voice in English. I know it might feel strange, but it is one of the most powerful things you can do to improve your speaking. Notice what sounds good. Notice what you want to work on. And come back and practice again. Because that is how progress happens. Not in one big leap, but in small, consistent steps. Day by day. Sentence by sentence. Practice by practice. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. It genuinely means the world to me that you are here, that you trust me with your English journey, and that you showed up today and gave it everything you had. This is English with Azzy. I'm Azzy, and I am so proud of you. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself, because you are closer than you think. Bye for now. See you in the next one.